Theory is vital in management studies, serving as the foundation for scholarly work. Emphasizing originality and utility, we propose a shift towards theories with broader scope and foresight. This approach aims to enhance our role in facilitating organizational and societal adaptability, setting the stage for redefining theoretical contributions. The lack of consensus on defining theory complicates its development in management studies. Theory is seen as concepts and interrelationships explaining phenomena. However, defining theoretical contribution is more crucial, focusing on significant advancements in understanding. This sets the stage for examining originality and utility as dimensions of theoretical contribution, which will be explored further. Originality and utility are key dimensions of theoretical contribution. Originality can be incremental, offering gradual insights, or revelatory, providing surprising advances. Utility is divided into scientific and practical usefulness. This framework helps scholars understand how to make impactful contributions in management studies, emphasizing the need for theories with both originality and practical application. Originality in theory is pivotal for the Academy of Management review, emphasizing new insights and challenging existing knowledge. Incremental insights gradually enhance understanding, while revelatory insights provide surprising, non-obvious advances. This dual approach ensures that theoretical contributions are both innovative and impactful, setting the stage for further exploration of utility in theory. Utility in theory emphasizes both scientific and practical usefulness. Scientific utility enhances conceptual rigor and operationalization, while practical utility addresses real-world managerial problems. This dual focus ensures theories are not only conceptually sound, but also applicable to solving tangible issues in management, bridging the gap between academic insights and practical application. Current theoretical contributions prioritize originality and scientific utility, with successful papers offering both insight and usefulness. However, practical utility often remains underemphasized. This focus on scientific over practical utility highlights a gap in addressing real-world managerial challenges, suggesting a need for a more balanced approach in future theoretical developments. Expanding the theoretical scope requires a practice-oriented perspective, integrating scientific and practical utility. This approach enhances theory's relevance and anticipates future needs. By embracing prescience, scholars can better address emerging organizational challenges, ensuring theories remain both academically and practically significant. Prescience in theorizing is crucial for anticipating and influencing future organizational issues. Scholars should focus on emerging problem domains to enhance both academic and practical relevance. This approach not only enriches theoretical contributions but also bridges the gap between academia and practice, ensuring theories remain impactful and applicable in real-world scenarios. Relevance to practice is essential for theoretical contributions. The gap between academic theories and practical application is concerning. Encouraging theories that address real-world problems is vital. Bridging this gap enhances the utility of management theories, ensuring they are not only scientifically robust, but also practically applicable, thus fostering a meaningful dialogue between theory and practice. Practice-oriented theoretical contributions emphasize dynamic, process-oriented knowledge. This approach encourages a dialogue between theory and practice, ensuring theories are not only original, but also practically useful. By bridging this gap, management studies can better address real-world challenges, enhancing both academic and practical domains. Theoretical contributions must transcend traditional boundaries, embracing originality and utility to impact both academia and practice. Scholars should aim for prescience, crafting theories that anticipate and shape future organizational and societal needs. This dual focus ensures our work remains relevant and influential, fostering a dynamic dialogue between theory and practice.